In today's fast-paced modern lifestyle, suboptimal health has become the norm for many. Fatigue, insomnia, and low energy. These seemingly ordinary symptoms are quietly eroding our quality of life. Chronic fatigue and insomnia increase free radical production in the body, triggering oxidative stress reactions that accelerate cellular aging and compromise immune system and organ functions. How to effectively alleviate these symptoms and restore health has become a pressing concern for many. Now, hydrogen therapy offers an effective solution. As a selective antioxidant, molecular hydrogen precisely targets and neutralizes harmful free radicals in the body, helping restore physiological balance. Hydrogen inhalation machines deliver high-purity hydrogen gas that rapidly enters the bloodstream upon inhalation. This hydrogen selectively binds with toxic free radicals, converting them into water that's safely eliminated from the body. This natural process not only reduces oxidative stress without side effects but also helps alleviate fatigue, boost mental clarity, and restore vitality. For many, hydrogen therapy has become an essential wellness companion. Moreover, through hydrogen infusion rods, these machines can create hydrogen-rich water. When consumed, the hydrogen is absorbed through the intestines to improve gut microbiota balance, enhance metabolic processes, and support cellular repair. Regular consumption of hydrogen-rich water complements inhalation therapy, creating synergistic effects for comprehensive subhealth recovery.